Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to do a styling outfits, I guess, with the Celine Triomphe belt that I recently got, and I talked about it in my last haul. So I'm gonna try to add the card for that here. And this is she. And I did get it in the chestnut color in the size small. So that's not like the sizing, like it goes by numbers as well, but like I meant like the width of the belt. I got it in the size small, which is the 0.7 inches, and this is the belt. It's so beautiful. I love her, and um I just wanted to show outfits on how I would style the belt. Obviously, there's a plethora of outfits you could do with the belt, but I wanted to do this video and talk about the pieces that I chose. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first outfit that I have is actually one of like most of the pieces that I tried to style it with is the pieces that I got from my haul. So the first one is with the Massimo Dutti and the Zara linen, no, the Zara skirt that I got in both white, and then I paired it with my Everlane everyday glove flats. And I actually was thinking in the first part that I was gonna tuck in the shirt under the skirt, but I ended up going over it. And I think it looks like it gives it like some layering effect of the shirt, the skirt, and then the belt around it. And the belt is obviously gonna be the contrast to breaking it up. And I really love that. And then alternatively, I change the shirt. I put the shirt from something to hold, and I tuck that one in though, and then I put the belt over it to break it up, I guess, to accentuate the waist and to make it look like it's a dress, and that I put a belt around it with the same ballet flats. So I think for all of the outfits, I did choose flats or like loafers just because I just wanted to style my flats and loafers for ones. So yeah. So the second outfit that I have on is actually a shirt that I recently got from Massimo Dutti. It is a cotton and linen shirt, which is like a blouson type of sleeves. It has no collar, but it is a button down. And I tucked it in underneath my Everlane way high jeans. And then I put the belt around it, and then I wore my loafers with it. It looks like I'm ready to be a business casual kind of fit or like an on-the-go errand run. So this outfit is very like classic, I guess you could say, on the colors and the tones and the style. And yeah, the next outfit that I have is I wanted to play on brown. So I have the Massimo Dutti linen brown top, and I just like French tucked it onto my Agolde jeans, the belt, and then my Everlane everyday glove flats. And it's just like a casual look. I mean, it's very simple and classic. And yeah, I wanted to showcase the belt more than just the outfit, but I wanted it to blend in with the top, I guess you could say. So this next outfit is actually, I really wanted to try these flats. These are from Baird Footwear. I believe they're an Australian brand, and I recently got their surfbird flats in like this crochet knitting style, and I just loved it. I fell in love with it. I've always wanted flats, like Mary Jane flats, and these were it. They come in a smaller size than a 5, I think 4, 4.5, which fits me perfectly. They're so comfortable and I love them. So this one though, I styled it with the same jeans, the Goldie one, and then I paired it with a Ron top from Sezane. And yeah, I thought it would be like the black and white, and then the belt is the differentiating color, and it just ties it in so perfectly. So this next outfit, it literally looks like I'm here for business, but at the same time, casually. So it's the Dissh vest that I got, the 100% cotton one. I tucked it into my linen Harlow trousers from Madewell, and they're navy, and the belt just like this color, the chestnut and navy just goes perfectly together, and then the flats perfectly matches the top, so it like ties it all in together, like the colors. I just love this outfit so much. I think anyone can like pull it off in this like color scheme. And yeah, it kind of does, it doesn't scream like summer or spring. It screams like fall or winter kind of fit, but it still works. So the last outfit that I have is actually the something to hold um top that I got, and I tucked it into my Agolde shorts, and I put the belt, and then I'm wearing this the flats from Baird Footwear, and I think it just looks like I'm ready to go outside for the summer fun. And yeah, I kept this very simple and like go to, I guess you could say, something anyone could wear, anyone can recreate. And yeah, you don't necessarily have to get the things that I got. You can wear any belt with this. But yeah, styling belts is something I'm really here for. And yeah, so that is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.